Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a cool little minute. I think the last video I made, when was it? Oh yeah, almost 2 weeks ago. Almost 2 weeks ago. Oh, that's not cool. I can't be doing that. I'm slipping on my pimping. I am slipping on my pimping. Damn it. Darn it. But no. All BS aside, I just got busy and wrapped up in a lot of things. My vending machine business is expanding. I got more locations. So I'm just kind of all over the place. And I'm trying to maintain just my day-to-day life and work and just maintaining That's really it. But I want to talk about not just the market, the stocks, and crypto. I don't want to just talk about the markets. I want to talk about what do you do when you get profits from either crypto or the stock market. What are you doing with your profits? And I think that's where a lot of people get stuck at. A lot of people, when they don't educate themselves or expose themselves to buying businesses or opening up in the business or anything in that aspect. A lot of people buy Lamborghinis and go shopping, buy Gucci, buy Chanel, and basically just blow their money and just do reckless things. My advice, you don't have to follow me or take my idea or whatever. But to me, what's smart and logical, taking those profits and starting a business. Something small, something that you can manage. I wouldn't recommend doing something that you cannot manage or maintain. Do your research, whatever business you plan on opening, do your own research first. That's what I really do advise people. I started a vending machine business because honestly it was easy. I did my own research first. Before I even went into the vending machine business, I did my own research. I was on YouTube like crazy. Just like, how do I start a vending machine? Where do I find locations? Where do I get vending machines from? How do I go about buying vending machines? Should I buy it online? Do not do that. Should I buy it online? Or, I had all these questions. So I learned and I educated myself first before I went diving in. But it doesn't cost that much to start a vending machine business. That's why I started a vending machine business. It's simple, but as we're expanding, it can become a little bit complicated because now you're dealing with different routes, and now you have to maintain all of the inventory. Now you got to maintain just going back and forth, finding time to go back and forth, and just filling up these machines and keeping up with the maintenance. So starting off is not bad with one location, but as you start to grow and start to buy more routes and you're expanding, you're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it, but it's gonna be worth it. It takes small capital to start a vending machine business, and it's easy. It's easy. I would recommend anyone who's looking to start any type of business to start small, and vending would be one of them. Doesn't have to be that per se, but it's a start. So I have taken many profits from crypto in the stock market as well, and I use that capital to start my vending machine business. And it helps. You're not. I'm not looking at the market as get rich quick. I use the market to invest into assets. I use the market to buy commodities such as silver, gold, and I don't own any oil stocks or anything like that. But I'm looking into it eventually, but I'm not there yet, Easing my way on that. I'm still learning. But yeah, just physical assets and digital assets, because digital is a growing sector. So don't y'all sleep on digital assets. That is the future. All right? That's just a little food for thought. But I use the carpet, the market's capital. I use their money to buy me assets. That's how I'm thinking. It's not, I'm not gonna use the market's money to buy liabilities. I'm not doing that. Too grown for that. All right, it's time to start thinking long term. It's time to start thinking logically, and just blowing my money. I've been there, done that. You know, splurging money from, my paychecks from work and all that. I feel like I started at a young age doing those things. So as I grew older and gained a little bit of wisdom, cut off drinking and everything, my mind is just on a whole different frequency, on a whole different level, and I just don't move like that no more. So that's just how I look at the market. I just use it to better me in the future. I'm investing into my future self. And use that capital and use those assets to create me cash flow and to help the community and to give back to people in need, and do everything that's beneficial to the world or to the community. It's bigger than me. It's not about me at all. So I don't have any kids, so it's not about me at all. This is beyond me. I'm here to help the kids, adults that may need some help, have some questions about anything. If I know it, I'll let you know. If I don't know it, ask ChatGPT. It'll tell you. Okay? But like I said though, be smart, be wise with the profits that you do get in this market. Just don't come in here thinking you're gonna get rich quick. You may get rich quick. You may get lucky. Don't get me wrong, you may get lucky. I'm not knocking that. And if you do, good for you. Be smart with that though. Be smart. Sit down, look on the computer, do your research, see what businesses are good businesses to get into. I recommend franchise. Franchise is something that I'm looking at, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you don't know where to start, if you're afraid to start from the very, 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 very bottom, a franchise would be something good to start. Depending on what franchise. Don't do any kind of franchise. So kind of do your own research on that. Some people don't know where to start. And a franchise, that'll help you get your feet wet. So that's just my advice. You ain't gotta listen to me. You ain't gotta listen to me. I'm just a local vending machine girl. Who won't listen to a local vending machine girl. But no, just be mindful of that. Use your money, invest in assets, commodities, something that is worth investing into. And most of all, I don't know how I left this part out. Invest into yourself. Invest into your wealth, your health, your wealth as well. Your health. For sure, your health. And this right here. Knowledge is power. Can't nobody take. That's the only thing nobody could take from you. Invest into it. All right, don't go around taking advices just from anybody. You're not doing your own research. Look into it yourself. If something don't make sense to you, if the math ain't mathing, or if you got some questions about something that you're concerned about, ask those questions. If you can't find the answers, look into it yourself. Do your own research. Man, technology is so advanced right now, there's no reason why you shouldn't do your own research. Don't just take people's words for what it is and think that it's true and think that it's a fact, regardless of who it's coming from. Take that information, trust but verify. Simple as that. Trust but verify. Don't take everybody's word for what it is. Come on now, y'all. Come on now. Do your own research. Anyways, though, I wanted to just give y'all a little quick video. I didn't want to go into too much details. Just giving an advice. What I would recommend for some people to do with their profits that they may gain in the market. If you don't know what to do, that's just my advice. Start small. I recommend starting a business small, whether it's, like I said, vending machine. I would recommend that. It's easy. And it's a growing sector. Just look into it. All right. So I'm about to wrap it up with She Legit. Yeah. She legit, she legit. This is what I'm pushing right now. She legit. I've been taking this for about a year or so. About a year or so, I'll say. Around that time frame, I found out about She Legit from my coworker. He told me about it because he works out and everything. And he was like, "You ever had She Legit?" I said, "What the hell is She Legit? Like, who the hell is that?" I'm like, thinking he talking about a person. He like, "No, it's this little resin thing, and you put it in your drink and you just drink it." Sorry, I don't know nothing about that. He's like, "It's a mineral. You gotta just try it." So I tried it, and it's good. It's really good. It goes well with my tea, and I used to put it in my coffee when I used to drink coffee. I no longer drink coffee. I do not drink any coffee anymore. So I just put that in my hot water, and it give me better effects than coffee does. To be honest with you, it give me energy. So I actually took that. I used to take it, or I still do. I take it before I hit the gym. It give me a lot of energy. I don't drink any energy drinks. I don't drink none of that. I just drink my She Legit and get straight to the point. Give me all the stamina. It give me all the energy. It give me all that. And it also reduces stress and anxiety. It's good for your gut. It's good for losing weight. It's good for gaining weight if you're trying to gain weight. It's good for all that. And dudes, it's good for your testosterone levels. Did I say it right? It's good for your testosterone levels. I think I said it right. I get tongue twisted with that word, man. I really do. And women, it's good for your fertility and reproductive health. That thing is good for a lot of things. Look into it. Do your own research. I'm going to say that. Do your own research before you go buying She Legit, because Fatima sat here and told you that's going to give you all the stamina and it's going to boost your ego in bed and all that. Do your own research. All right? Don't just take my word. Do your own research, man. It's She Legit. The link is going to be on my page. She Legit. Only costs $31. Can't go wrong with that. Get your money's worth. All right? I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side. Y'all have a good one. All right?